bell peppers roasted with pickles, nice juicy cheeseburger sliding in hot sauce and ketchup, nice four style cheese on an egg roll. That's what this bread is called. It's called egg bread. Delicious dessert today. Nice and roasted. See the steam rolling off of that? Delicious. Straight hot off the stove. Done by Dee Dee's Delight. Some crushed ice slushy grape to ooze it down with. May your stomachs be full and your hearts content. Like, share, subscribe. 7 short reels are trying to load. Make sure you come back for more.